Data viewing. BaoRuler measuring instrument supports viewing in 4 visualization views: 2D, 3D, surface, and contours. The measurement files during the measurement process, and the 2D view displayed by default in the system. Display the top-down planar effect of the measurement graph, allowing for an intuitive view of the graph's planar layout. Click 3D view to view the graphic facade. The 3D view can intuitively display the elevation changes of the measurement points and is suitable for measurement sites with height differences. After saving the measurement file, you can view the effect of the graphic surface. Click the Surface button to view the surface view. To view the graphical contour view, click Contours to see the view effect. After the measurement is completed, I want to check a certain point. Click on the measurement point to pop up the property window. The pop-up window displays the x, y, h coordinates and angle of the point. An angle refers to the angle formed by 2 line segments at that point. Click the Previous Page and Next Page buttons to sequentially switch and view detailed information of other points. Click on any measurement line segment to view the relevant data of the line segment. Special attention should be paid to the fact that when the measured figure is non-planar, the length of the line segment may change in the 3D view. You need to switch to 3D view to see the actual length. When the entire measurement figure is selected, you can directly view the perimeter and area of the figure. In addition to displaying information, other information can also be set by oneself: hiding and showing of points, annotations, measurement suggestions in the view, etc.